Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Nissan Rogue, and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. For the rim size that we have today is the size 18, so make sure your vehicle matches the rim size that we have here to make sure the pre-cut film fits the rim that you have. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material on the rims to give it a different look and to match the aesthetic look of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the rim. So we just want to clean the whole rim before installing the kit. That way there's no contaminants when we're doing the installation. So when it comes to the installation, you want to start off by aligning it on the top section of the rim first. So make sure you start off from the top section here and you're covering the chrome piece each side here. Once you have it tacked down, you just make your way to the bottom piece. And right here, once you make your way to the bottom section, all you need to do is just pull the film just a little bit. That way we're able to remove any fingers that come up when we're installing it. And if you still have small fingers, just applying heat will help remove them. So once you get here, you're going to need to pull the film in order to remove the fingers and to reach the bottom half here. So make sure everything is good. It's covering the chrome. Once you've installed it, grab your squeegee and start tacking the section down. Make sure you go all around. Once you're done tagging it down, we can apply heat to help the film tack down more better to the rim. Okay, and now we move on to this section here. Okay, and then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this one to the other remaining sections here. And then once we're done installing the remaining ones, we'll move on and installing the smaller section. Once we finish installing the big pieces, now we move on to the remaining sections that we are missing. With this one, is just making sure when you are aligning it, you're covering the chrome, and you just go based on the design of the chrome. Make sure you're covering it, and that's pretty much it. And you just do the same on the other end, and it's that simple. And then you would just add heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't lift off the rim. So you would just rinse and repeat the same steps for the remaining ones, and then after you're done, you would add heat. Okay, and then once you finish installing the last piece, the last thing to do is just post heat all around to help the adhesive on the film tack down better to each panel that we installed. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome deletes for the 2022 Nissan Rogue. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.